Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to run an accounts receivable aging report and then split the report based on the number of days that you want to see or the number of incremental days you want to see. Let's go to reports at the top of our screen. We'll go down to customer and receivable, and then we'll go to accounts receivable, aging summary. When we're at the aging summary by default, QuickBooks is going to show us this information in increments of 30 days. If you want to see something different, perhaps 2 weeks or 15 days, all you need to do is change the interval days on the top of your screen. So we'll just change it to be 14. I'm going to click refresh, and now you can see how the increment intervals are 14. Let's say that you want to do 90 days and you want to see this through a couple years. You can just change the interval days and change the through days, and then you can see stuff just in a different view. I hope this has been helpful. If there's anything my team or I can do for you, please don't hesitate to let us know. If there are other videos you'd like to see, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much.